Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to report someone on Facebook. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Facebook application, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the homepage, or you will be asked to log in if you haven't done so already. Proceed forward with your email address, and after you end up within the homepage, if you wish to report someone, then first of all, you will need to find their profile. You can use the search box within the homepage, or if this person is within your friend list, you can tap on the friends option, and from the your friends section, you can find the particular person that you wish to report. Once you are within their profile, you can simply click on the three dots at the right side of the add friend or the unfriend button, and from here you will now see the report profile option. Go ahead and tap on this, and you will now be asked to choose any specific reason, which includes something wrong about this profile or something wrong about a specific post. Just choose the category based on your reason for reporting, and after you proceed forward with providing a few more reasons, your report will be sent to the Facebook support team. After they have received your report, they will examine this profile or their particular post that you have reported in order to take appropriate action. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to report someone on your Facebook account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.